give you a practical tip on fertility of hens, and especially hens that do struggle to lay. Now, a hen is capable of laying 70 eggs in her lifetime or her breeding span, and then that is it. Once a hen is done, you cannot do anything to make her lay more eggs. However, we do get it in younger hens and hens of medium age that they do struggle to lay, or they do struggle with their fertility. Now, there's various great products on the market that you can either give them via the drinking fountain. I'm talking about calcium-enriched vitamins, but one is not always sure when one adds it to the water fountain if I get in sufficient of what you want them to get in. So today I'm going to show you a simple, practical, very practical and efficient and also an inexpensive way to help hens that struggle with laying and with fertility. So I buy empty capsules from my local pharmacy, and then I buy this calcium, vitamin and mineral enriched powder. It's called Dova-Kalk. It's a simple powder, but it does contain a lot of calcium and minerals and stuff that the hens will need. So I open up the capsule like this, and I just fill it with the Dova-Kalk, and then I close it again, and I take the capsule and I put it gently into the beak of a struggling hen, and I do that for 10 consecutive days. So I've done that in many years, and the strike rate is very successful, and it does help. So only a simple empty capsule and calcium and vitamin and mineral enriched powder, and your problem is sorted. So you can do this with hens that do struggle, and also just to help your hens to keep great form. And like I say, I do it for 10 consecutive days when there's a problem. I hope this can help you. Have a brilliant day.